Rm minus Rm bar. Okay. The whole by summation Rm minus Rm. The whole square. So just write down this formula because I will erase it. I don't have space here. Okay. So return on a particular security, and this is the market return, how much the market has given. So we will see now. First of all, I'll have to calculate RI, summation RI and RI bar. So I'll have it as 44, 44 plus 650, 60, 60 minus 10, 50, 62, 62 plus 18, 80, 94, right? 94. Summate this 34, 46, 55, 75, 76, 96, 96 plus 8, 104, 105, and 175. I hope my calculation is right. So, I will. How do I find out my arithmetic mean? Ri bar is equal to summation Ri by n. So what do I get that as? I get this as 94 by 94 by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 94 by 7. Okay. Then Rm bar. Next one we will do in Excel sheet. Is equal to 175 divided by 7. Okay. So what do I get that as? 94 by 7 and 175 by 7. Let me just calculate it. You can calculate it from your phone and tell me. Calculate it in your phone.
Ma'am, 94 upon 7 divided is equals to 13.42.
13.42. Okay. 13.42. And what is this? All these are in percentages. 20%, 24%, 16%.
Ma'am, 25%.
This is 25%.
Yes, ma'am. 25 only.
Fine. Thank you. So now I'll do Ri minus Ri bar. Ri minus Ri bar. ठीक है? So that is going to be 20 minus, sorry, 13.42 minus, or 20 minus 13.42, 6.58, correct? 6.58. समझ में आ रहा है? This is very important. 24 minus 13.42 is again 11. You following, all of you?
Yes.
Sorry. आपके पास कैलकुलेटर होगा तो करो, इवन आई ओपन माय कैलसी. That is going to be this minus same way. Sorry. Minus 13.42 and so on, equal to this minus B12 minus B12 minus B2. ठीक है? Now RM minus average RM. Okay. So what is that? Equal to this minus B13 Okay. Are you following? So now what is my numerator saying? Summation this into this, correct? Ri minus average Ri into Rm minus average. What do I get that as? Okay. For my numerator, I need the summation of this. Okay. Following all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let me calculate this one square. Okay. I will say sorry, I needed the other one square. That's my denominator. So that's going to be beta is equal to this one. Summation, right? Divided by okay. This was my denominator, so I will say equal to this by, so I get it as 0.164 whatever, right? And I will round it off to 2 decimals. I'll say 0.16, which means that if the market is giving me a return of say 100%, this stock will give me a return of only 16%. So it is going along with the market. Market ऊपर होगा तो मेरा स्टॉक भी ऊपर जाएगा, पर मार्केट के 16% ही मेरा स्टॉक देता है. समझ में आ रहा है? It has so much of risk in it. Are you following, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not able to understand. See, स्टॉक मार्केट मुझे कितना दे रहा है? 100%, 100 रुपया दे रहा है. मेरा स्टॉक उसमें 16% ही दे रहा है. The yield is only 16% of what the market is giving me. Following?
Yes, ma'am.
So they both are moving. Positive बोला तो if market moves up, the stock will also move up. Any doubts so far?
No, ma'am.
We will do one more sum. So now my numerator and denominator, beta is equal to so I get, when I round it off to 2 decimals, okay, if the market goes up, my stock will go down. If the market goes down, my stock will go up by 19% of the market's movement. Are you following? It will move in the opposite direction. Last sum and this sum we saw, if the market goes up, my stock will also go up. पर यहाँ पे the market goes up, my stock will go down. If the market goes down, my stock will go up, but by 19%. समझ में आ रहा है? स्टॉक 100 रुपीस ऊपर गया तो 19 रुपया मेरा, मार्केट 100 रुपया ऊपर गया तो मेरा स्टॉक 19 रुपया नीचे जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yes.
Any doubts? Any doubts here?
No, ma'am. No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now we will do probability वाला sums, risk and return. ठीक है? उसी का ऐसे you have to compare and tell me which stock is better. ठीक है? स्टॉक ए स्टॉक बी का मैं आपको रिटर्न दूंगी.
मैम RI और RM का फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
रिटर्न ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक. RI मतलब स्टॉक आई, स्टॉक ए, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो आप, राइट? RM इज मार्केट रिटर्न. समझ में आया?
यस मैम.
So now I will total these up. So this is my expected return. So expected return से I can't judge which stock is good क्योंकि दोनों सेम आ रहा है, right? So let me calculate my standard deviation. First I will calculate for stock A. ठीक है? Stock is standard deviation, which means the risk that stock A carries. ठीक है? Are you following, all of you? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is stock A. This is my expected or the return in stock. Okay. Now I will say I call it as K. I will call it as K. Okay. We'll say I minus K bar or average of K. How do I calculate the average? यहाँ पे क्या होता है, जो प्रोबेबिलिटी का एडजस्टेड रिटर्न रहता है ना, उसको हम K बोलते हैं. समझ में आ रहा है? Are you following? How do I calculate KI? Average.
Ma'am.
Average कैसे calculate करूंगी मैं? See, so what is my this thing? 6 minus 20, right? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
एक बार देखो. 20 minus 33. 20 minus 33. 30 minus 33. 30 minus 33. ठीक है? Same way, 50 minus 33. ठीक है? Which is equal to equal to 20 minus 33 equal to 30 minus 33 equal to 50 minus 33. So this is going to be my Ki minus Ki bar. So for the standard deviation part, I need to calculate the standard deviation part and I will square this. When I square this one, okay. When I square this, Ki minus A, the whole square. So I get 169,9 289. ठीक है? Are you following, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Probability
No, ma'am.
0.3, 0.4. So this is my probability. So let me adjust it for the probability. Okay. Probability into equal to. See? So when I total this, I get 141. 141 is my variance, but I will have to take the square root of this. Which is equal to I get 11.87. Did you understand this? Did you understand this?
मैम वेरिएंस कैसे निकलेगा वो बताओ ना.
मैं बताती हूँ. वेरिएंस जो ये आंसर आता है ना वो वेरिएंस का ही है. इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकलेगा तो ही आपको x minus x bar, right?
ओके मैम.
The whole square summation x minus x bar the whole square by n आता है ना. यहाँ पे n becomes 1. So we did like a weighted average क्योंकि probability दिया है. So minus 33 x bar जो है 33 है. So x minus x bar आया था, ठीक है? Then I squared everything, multiplied it with the probability. I added this up. That was my variance. उसका square root निकलेगा तो मुझे standard deviation आता है. Are you following? This is for stock A.
ओके मैम. थैंक यू.
हाँ बेटा, sorry.
थैंक यू मैम.
Welcome. Now let me calculate for stock B. Stock B. I'll copy all these values. Change it to B. So that is going to be, what was this? 50, 30, 20. Now when I say again 33, ये भी 33 है. So I will say equal to this minus 33. Okay. Now my next step will be squaring this. समझ में आया आपको? Are you following? 50 minus 33. 30 minus 33. 20 minus 33. बराबर? So let me square this. What is the probability here? Okay. Right? Are you following, all of you? So what am I getting the total as? This is also 141. Barabar? So I'll say variance is 141. Are you following, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Any doubts? Sure? Clear about this? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
We saw what is investment, what is return, what is risk, what are the types of risks, and then we saw how is return measured and how did we calculate expected return, sorry, and how did we calculate risk adjusted. This is called as risk adjusted return, risk and return. Okay, expected return from the stock was when you discounted it for the probability. Barabar? When you calculated the standard deviation, that was risk and return. We saw two measures of return, namely the range and standard deviation. And the widely used measure of risk is standard deviation. Okay? Any doubts so far?
No,
We have
ma'am.
covered these things in the last semester, if I remember. Why am I